everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
The U.S. Treasury dollars. Do you know why it is that on the U.S. national debt clock under U.S. Treasury dollars now, the amount is decreasing each day and not increasing? Was there not supposed to be new Treasury notes being printed to replace the old Fiat notes, or will it all be digital under the QFS, ending the use of all paper notes?
No, we're going to have both. We're going to have both. As far as the debt clock, my understanding is that the reason it says U.S. Treasury notes is because the United States Treasury has taken over the Federal Reserve. It essentially has seized it. And when you hear the Federal Reserve, the Fed this, the Fed that, it's really Treasury. But what they're trying to do is wake people up. Okay, they want them to understand what happened. Yeah, it'll go to zero, and then there'll be a reset, a revaluation. Not the great reset that WEF wants and all those charlatan Nazi dirtbags. Not that. What they're going to do is they're going to reset all of the world's currencies to a one-to-one basis, giving everyone parity around the world, which is the way it should have been. And the parity will exist because of resources, natural resources, and or everyone's ability to produce something that can be equally shared around the world. So it's going to be a good thing. It's going to be fair. It's going to be equitable. There will be no more robber barons taking advantage of other countries. There will be no more strip mining of countries and then pushing those people into poverty. None of that shit's going to exist anymore. You cannot heal the world with that kind of a system in place. And that's why it's all ending. We have places to go. We have places to go. And we can't stay stuck in this shit, mired by this greed, by this graft, by this psychopaths. We cannot stay in this place. We have places to go. And that's where we're going. To higher ground. And that means the world we knew has to go away. Because it's predatory. It literally fed off of humanity. It raped humanity. It stole our children. It stole their blood, their organs. It stole our future. It stripped us of hopes and dreams. We can't go there with this system. So this system is going to die. It's being put down. Literally, it's being put down. This is why it's important for us that are awake to begin the process of creating a new domain of knowing, calling forth what we want. A lot of us are sitting back, waiting for the white hats to tell us what. No, 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 no. They're doing their job. They're taking out the bad guys. It is not their responsibility to tell us where we're going. That's our responsibility. It's we the people. Okay? We have to figure this out. We can't wait for them. Their job is this. Their job is to create stability and to protect humanity from being genocided by a bunch of homicidal, psychopathic, whatever. They're not us, these people who are doing this shit. They're not us. And if you're a pharmaceutical company and you got an order from the United States military to create a weapon that would genocide humanity, why the fuck would you build it? Why would you build it? For money? For money? When everyone who works for you was going to die as well? What the hell's wrong with you? The appropriate response was to go public and tell the world these people are crazy. That would have been the appropriate response. In protecting each other, we will remain free. Do you get it yet? Do you get it? That's the only way. The military has a role. It has a role. And look, God bless the military. God bless the soldiers everywhere. God bless the veterans. God bless those who have lost their lives already. But it is not their job to run a country. That has not worked out well for anyone in those countries. And you can't be a republic if that's the case. We have a profound document, Constitution. Profound. It works. As long as the people manage it, as long as the people are in charge, it works. We have to get back to basics. If you want freedom, then we're the ones who have to create it, and we're the ones that have to protect it. We are one race, ladies and gentlemen. We are different races, different creeds, different genetic lineages. We are a mixed bag of everything. But we are a family. We are one race on this planet that needs profound healing. And we have to step into it. We do. We just have to step into it and do the work. And at least begin the work. Begin the conversations. Have the conversations to step forward and begin the process of healing humanity. So we can have that Star Trek future. So that future generations, 50 generations from now, are in a place we today can't even imagine. That's the way it's supposed to work, folks. That's the way it's supposed to work. Now, if you want it, let's do it. If you don't want it, why are we bothering? What do you want? What do your kids want? I know they don't want to die. I know they don't want to be slaves. I know they don't want to be plugged into AI. Who the hell would want that? They don't want to be robots. They don't want to be part machine. No, they don't. They don't.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.